Morning. So people have been saying, what next? And so I woke up this morning and I thought, labyrinths, mandalas, and negative space drawings. So we're going to start today with a mandala because it takes the most setup. So I'm working on getting it set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a structure to draw the mandala on. And so I'm just going to do it roughly, walk you through it, and then I'm going to show you a completed one. So I draw an X on here, and then you can use a ruler. You can use a ruler to do your X too if you want to. Use a ruler and make a few marks on here at different inches out from the center of your square. And then when you use your circle makers, you can check how they fit. So I usually use the inside of this and then just check to see that it's going to work around the outside there. So try and get it in the middle. And then I have a plate that I can use too. And I can just again check the distance between here. You can be more exact if you want to. And I know some of you are cringing as I'm doing this. You see, it's pretty close. I can use my eye to do this. And okay, well, this one is too big. And so I would need to make another mark to extend this out. So I'm just going to go see those lines when I put my circle on, and that will help me line it up so that it is going to be round. So actually it goes just a little bit shy of that one. And then just draw your line around. I'm doing this in felt pen, but you can certainly do it in pencil, and then you can change things as you wish. Now, a simple way to do the side ones too, or if you want to do more divisions, is to put your ruler up here and have it so that these are about the same, and then just go halfway in between. So if I just put one mark there and one mark here, then when I take my long ruler, I can match that mark up with the center and draw another line through. So this line, center line, line them up. Make sure you've got it pretty close. Oops, and then you have to put your felt pen on the paper. It doesn't work. So that would be how to make a grid. So I already made a grid, and I made it out of the green as well, so that I can show you just some basics about doing the mandala. So a mandala is a form that is in a circle, and it's often repetitive. So I thought I would just do a dahlia now. So if I do a dahlia, I'm going to start from this mark here, and I'm going to take it to there. Maybe I'll use a fatter, so you can see it more easily. So I'll just do this one again. There we go. And then I do its reverse. So I'll put it to there. And then I can repeat that. I'm going to come from here to over there. And then from here to there. And I would say really be systematic with this. Get a rhythm. And then the rhythm will help you remember where you are. So that would be a start here. Now, I am also going to take from here down and from here down. You can make up any form you like. The trick is do all four of them the same, so that you're going around. I'm going to have four things on it. So now this time I'm going to take it from just in a bit to there, and then I'm going to come down. So I have to kind of twist my body here to come down to there. And then up to here. When I come down this side, I find it a bit harder. So I will turn my board. Oops, makes it do. I'll bring it down. Turn my board so that my hand is comfortable making that mark. And then I can turn my board again and make that mark again. So when you're working small, you can have your grid taped. That's what I forgot to tell you. So you can actually do a black grid, and then you can tape your clean paper to that, and then do it in the window, and then the grid never shows up. And it's just like you've been really super smart and very magical. So you can you don't have to have this grid showing. So I'm just going to now take that out to there, bring that back. And if I turn this again, I've made marks out beyond my second circle, my third circle, sorry. And you can just do this. So you can just have some wonderful fun with mandalas. And then you can also incorporate the circle into it at times. And that really helps get that idea of it being a mandala. So it adds that circle element. And in the center here, I'm just going to do a little tiny circle as well to give it a starting point, to help it feel like a flower. Up here, I can put in another one of these in behind. So I'm looking at, just like we did in the mirror drawings, I'm looking at the distance from the grid mark. So from here, I'm going to take it from there up to that point, and from here up to that point. And that helps it keep it symmetrical. And when you can't see it, if I can't there, I have to turn this so that I can actually see what I'm up to. There it goes. I'll turn it one more time. There it goes. And that's just a very simple mandala, and they're just a lot of fun to do. And then you can color them in however you want to, and you can play with it too. So if you wanted to finish it off, you can just say, I'm just going to put a straight line from there to there, and then it kind of has a bit of a frame. There you go. So have some fun with that, and see what you can create. Thanks a lot.